my cat right here. Welcome back. So it's another studio vlog. I have some computer work to do, the huge. Oh, I want to show you guys something. I got a new plant. There's a new leaf right here, and there's a tiny one coming. There's another one coming here. It's thriving. Sir, Max, can you stop? My cat is trying to climb. Max, stop! He's trying to get this. I'm gonna throw it on the ground for him. Can I have that, please? Whoa! And that meow was Boots. It's almost his dinner, so he currently is eating plastic. Can you not? I might just feed him early, or else he's gonna meow throughout this whole vlog. So I need to do some cleaning. My desk is very, very messy. Let me just give you an overview. Can anyone else relate? Like, I don't know how this happens. I feel like I just clean it. It's just a mess. Before I do any other work, I'm going to clean this. I'm going to set you guys up somewhere. Right here. And let's get to it. So, clearly I changed. I am wearing my Lion King shirt that I found at a thrift store, and I got it for like $3 or some ridiculous price like that. And I love it. I also fed my cats, so that's that. My cats are very demanding when it comes to being fed. They start meowing at, I usually feed them around 5 or 5:30, and they usually start meowing around 4, like meowing, like what you heard earlier. So I fed them. I'm drinking caffeinated tea at 5 o'clock. It's fine. So I want to make stickers. I talked about this in my last vlog, and I was kind of debating whether or not I wanted to do stickers. I was on the fence. I really wanted to, but I didn't know. But I'm gonna do it. Because why not? I mean, what do I have to lose? I mean, money, obviously, if it doesn't work, but... So right now, I am currently, which I'm gonna continue doing, is I'm currently doing this part. So this is one of the stickers. It's a hummingbird and it says love in the wing, obviously. But right now I'm adding this right here, which is a border, so I know where to cut. Whoop, screensaver. So I know where to cut the sticker. So that's kind of what I'm working on now. And I also have been, I guess, doing my fair share of research on what labels I want to use because I want to try to make it as eco-friendly as possible. So I've been researching labels and mailers and something to put the sticker inside, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people use cello, which is the plastic bags. And I know they have compostable plastic bags, but I don't know if I really want to go that route. I'm pretty set on finding the mailers. They're 100% recyclable, and they are from a company called Eco Enclose. So those are the mailers that I want to use. So I just have to order those, and then this might sound crazy, but I was thinking I really, really like the idea of using elephant poo paper. And I think a lot of people don't know about it. Some people might be grossed out about it. But I think what I want to do is I want to use the elephant poo paper. They only have really envelopes and paper. And I think I want to put the sticker inside the envelope instead of using cello bags. Cello bags? The plastic bags. But I mean, before I can do any of this, I need to actually finish the sticker design. Look who decided to join me. He just wants all the pets right now. I mean, come on. This one right here loves laying in my lap. He is a total lap cat. Boots is not so much. I mean, he has his moments, that's for sure, but not as much as this guy. Okay, I need to focus. It's hard to focus when you have a cat in your lap, but I need to do it. So let's do it. Well, that was a little frustrating. I have to sneeze. Or maybe I don't. I really feel like I have to sneeze. Okay, I guess I'm not gonna sneeze. But I feel like it would be smart if I invested in an iPad. And the only reason, I mean, I guess there's lots of reasons, but I feel like it would just be so much easier personally for me, instead of using a mouse, to use one of the iPad pencil to try and draw. I don't know. I love my desktop, but I don't necessarily love making art on my laptop because I feel like the mouse is really hard to navigate sometimes, and maybe either invest in an iPad or something that mimics a pencil. Just thinking out loud. Also, if I invest in an iPad, then I would be able to use Procreate, which I have been dying to use, but you can only use it if you have an iPad. You can't use it on a desktop. So that is also something that I have been contemplating, is whether or not to invest in an iPad, which I really feel like I should. But that purchase is for another day. So for now, I finished making the outline of my sticker. I need to go back in and like crisp up the lines because it's just really hard to make. Maybe it's just me and not knowing how to use this program to its full potential, but I was struggling a bit. Oh my god, I have to show you my cat! Can you not? Hold on. Look at this cat. Max! You are just so comfortable. Look at him. Ugh. This face. Come on. Okay. Sorry. I had to share that. I forgot that I made soup. I don't even know how I forgot. I made it a few days ago and I thought that Mark ate the rest of it, but he didn't. It's this, can't even see it without me spilling it. It's a tortellini soup and it is delicious. So I sauteed carrots, celery, onion, garlic, oregano, and I put a little bit of thyme in there. And I sauteed that, and then I added vegetable stock, a little bit of chicken stock, and I added chicken and tortellini, and it is so good. So I need to wait for this to cool down because it's hot. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more research on sticker paper because I really want to order that within like the week. I might just like chill. I haven't had a relax. Mark works tonight, so it's kind of just me and the cats. So I think I might take advantage of it and watch a chick flick. I was thinking maybe Miss Congeniality or The Proposal because I love both of those movies. Sometimes I just need to take a few hours because I work 40 hours and I do a lot of drawing on the side. I do a lot of, I basically run a small art business on the side and it is really, really exhausting sometimes. And sometimes I just want to relax, do nothing, just watch a movie. I think I might do that. So I think I'm going to call it a night. Oh, it's hot. Oh, hot. That's really hot. So good though. So good. But thanks for watching and listening to me ramble about just random thoughts in my head that I have about sticker making. I kind of want to take you guys on this process. I mean, it could fail, it could succeed. I don't know. But why not take you guys along? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and I will see you guys next time. Bye!